Knock, knock, let the devil in. Malevolent as I've ever been. Head is spinning, this medicine screaming. Dick, 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 let us in. It dick, dick like a salad bowl. Edgar Allan Poe, bedridden, should've been dead a long time ago. Liquid Tylenol, gelatin, sneak my skeletons melting. Wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant manure. Element Kahlua, screw it, to hell with it. I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin. Manwin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin, flare fish. Scribble Jam, Rap Olympics, 97, Freaknik, how can I be down mean? Bazaar in Florida, Bruce room, slept on the Florida motel then. Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got it stamped like a postcard, word to mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care. I barely can wait to hit him with the snare in the face, square in the face. This fucking world better prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my.
I got that adrenaline.
You all should have ran when you had